What's up, everybody? And in this episode, I want to talk a little bit about mindset and how to create a plan to obtain any single thing you want in your entire life. Now, I have done this time and time again on multiple goals, multiple achievements, and have followed this kind of structure. Now I've put it together in a step-by-step process that will help you achieve anything it is that you would like to achieve. Any goal that you want, you'll be able to achieve it. But before we go into this, I need to ask you a couple things. That is, one, to smash the out of the like button, because that will help me with the YouTube algorithm, and then also subscribe below and make sure to hit the notification bell, because then you will get notifications whenever I put out a new video, which is at least one time a week, and it's awesome content, so you'll just really love it and you'll be happy when there's a notification. And also follow me on Instagram. I post there pretty much daily, so you will get other aspects of my life and insights as well, so make sure you do that. Now, on to the mindset and how to achieve anything it is that you want. Number one, you have to have a vision. It can't be intellectual. It needs to be, you need to be able to see this. There is a saying, whatever the mind can believe, it can achieve. That is very true. And I've done nothing in my life that was worth anything substantial before I actually believed that I could do it. Now, what I mean by this is little insights here or there where I could actually see myself doing something, where I could actually believe that something could happen to me, and it could actually, I could grasp my head around that. So I needed that vision first. Whether it was opening my own company, my real estate company, and realizing that, wow, I could be that guy. When I was in my company, when I was in the company before I opened my own company, I was looking at the broker there and saying, I could do that. I could do that. I could have these agents working under me. I had the vision. I saw it. I saw that it could I saw it, and I had to see it before it could manifest. Now, when I did that, I also was specific about it. I saw how much money would I need to make, and then that's when I got into the specifics. But the first thing, number one, was having the vision. So number two, make a plan. Making a plan, no matter what it is going to set you in the right direction. You have to have the vision first, right? You see it, but you have to make a plan. Now, for an example, opening my own company, when I just talked about that, having the vision of being able to see myself doing that. I had a plan. I developed a plan. The plan is the logistics about it. So the plan was, okay, gotta have rent, right? I gotta have an office, I gotta have rent, I'm gonna have an overhead. How many agents do I need? Who do I know? How much do I need to be able to cover this? Like, it was a plan that I had. Could I have 5 agents doing X number of business a month? I believed, well, that was very achievable. I wrote it down. Napkin, they call it a napkin plan. You write it down on a napkin. That's it. You easily handwrite it, you can see it, and you set it in motion, you put it on paper. I had that when I was doing acting. When I had the vision of being able to do it, that was what came first. But then it was the plan that I implemented, where it was what kind of headshots I needed, what kind of agent I needed to get. It was getting an agent to get me those kind of roles. It was making a plan and developing a plan around that vision. So number 3, stick to it every day. Have the vision, make the plan, stick to it every day. It's a daily process. It's consistency. You call it consistency. Consistency is the key. It is the absolute key. There is no overnight success. You can be doing something for 10 years, working towards a goal, and all of a sudden, it happens. And it's not an overnight success. It's been happening for 10 years. So it's about consistency and following the same things every day. You can go through, there's been multiple people that I have followed that I've realized that's the key to their success, is following the same plan they set out to do every single day, and it's about keeping that consistency. So number 4, track and measure results. With any plan, you have to have measurable results. If your measurable results are putting you in the right direction. You can track what works. You can double up on that. If you track what doesn't work, you can cancel that away. So you need to track and measure all the results that you're getting to be able to find out what you can double down on and what you can let go of. So number 5, course correct if needed. After you track and measure results, you see the results and you course correct. It's almost like setting a ship out to go towards an island, and you're tracking and measuring where you're going. If you find that you're not on the direction that you need to be, you course correct, and then you're set out towards the direction, towards your goal, towards your end point. And finally, number 6, repeat. You repeat this whole process over again. Once you are course corrected, you repeat. You do it again. You have that vision. You make the plan. You adjust your plan as need be. You stay consistent every day working towards your goal. You keep tracking and measuring your results. And then you course correct again if needed. If you keep doing this, it's inevitable. You will go more in the direction of your goal and you will get to where you need to be. I promise you. So you keep following these 6 steps. This has helped me in everything that has been substantial in my life. In opening a real estate business, in becoming a broker, in becoming one of the top sales agents in the whole entire area, the top 1% platinum agent selling over $20 million of real estate in a single year, in opening my own Amazon company for some extra passive income, in buying rental properties and multiple investment properties. It's the same thing. In becoming a professional actor, it has been the same thing. It has been having a vision of doing it, making a plan, sticking to it every single day, tracking and measuring my results, reviewing what works, reviewing what doesn't, course correct if needed, and then repeat the process. So guys, thank you very much for tuning in for this. Again, hit the subscribe button below and the notification bell. Also, like this because it will help with the YouTube algorithm and I really would appreciate it. And also, if you find that this is a worthwhile video, feel free to send it and share it and comment on it. And if it's not, tell me about it. I would love your feedback. Reply below. Again, follow me on Instagram because I post there pretty much daily, so you will get other aspects and insights to my life as well. And other than that, have a great day.